Join me as I challenge this AI to create the craziest images possible and see what amazing results we can come up with. In recent years, we've witnessed an explosion of AI-generated content, and it's hard not to be stunned by the rapid advancements in the field of image generation. From creating realistic faces to generating entire landscapes, the capabilities of these algorithms are constantly pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. However, many artists are skeptical about AI's role in the art world. Some argue that these machines are simply mimicking human creativity, while others see them as a threat to traditional forms of art. As AI-generated art becomes more prevalent, artists are faced with a dilemma. Do they adapt to this new technology or stick to their traditional methods? So how do these AI algorithms actually work? Well, it's a combination of complex neural networks and clever programming. Basically, these machines are trained on large data sets of images, allowing them to learn patterns and relationships between different visual elements. By combining these patterns in innovative ways, AI algorithms can generate stunning images that are often indistinguishable from those created by humans. Take, for example, the AI-generated portrait of Edmund de Bellamy, which sold for a staggering $432,500 at Christie's auction house in 2018. This piece demonstrates the level of sophistication that AI algorithms have reached and raises important questions about authorship and ownership in the digital age. The fact that a machine can create a work of art that is deemed worthy of display in a prestigious gallery speaks volumes about the blurring of lines between human and machine creativity. Another example of AI's capabilities is the generation of surreal landscapes, which often combine multiple styles and influences to create something entirely new. These images not only showcase the technical prowess of algorithms, but also challenge our understanding of what constitutes art in the first place. Are these machines mere tools, or are they creative entities in their own right? One work that has captured the public's attention is the AI-generated artwork titled Theatre Druid, a fascinating combination of futuristic and ancient elements. This piece has sparked widespread debate about the role of AI in the art world. Some hail it as a breakthrough in creative innovation, while others see it as a soulless imitation of human art. Whatever your stance, it is undeniable that this piece has opened up new avenues for artistic exploration. In conclusion, AI-generated art is here to stay without a doubt, and its potential to reshape the creative landscape is enormous. As we continue to push the boundaries of what is possible, we must also confront the implications of this technology on our understanding of art and human creativity. Hi, what do you think about AI-generated art? Share your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to check out my other videos on the latest tech trends.